Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and today we're going to be unboxing my new sublimation printer, the Sawgrass SG500. My EcoTank 2720 has been giving me lots of issues since we moved. It did sit in a pod container for about 2 months before it was used again, and it was moved across the country. So I didn't have high expectations for it, but it did last a lot longer than I thought it would. So we're just gonna unbox this today. I'm not gonna set it up or anything. That'll be a totally different video. So there's this QR code on the top of the box here. And what you're gonna do is before you even open the box, go ahead, scan that. And when you do, you'll see it'll have setup instructions, a link for you to go on and schedule an appointment. If you're not too tech savvy and you need some help to set it up, they can even go into your computer and help you set it up that way to get the best optimization for your printer. So yeah, that's the outside of the box. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you exactly what pops up when you scan in that QR code. I'm just gonna scan it, use my phone, obviously, and then we'll hop back on and unbox it. All right, so now that you've got what that looks like, we're gonna go ahead and open the box. I don't do very many of these unboxing videos, so excuse me if I'm not too savvy on it. It's just unboxing a product, right? All right. I did get this from King, it's a local shop, but you can buy online. They're actually pretty well known all over. It's called Kingdom Designs. I'll drop a link in the description below. But I needed it quick. Otherwise I would have just ordered from Heat Transfer Warehouse like normal. Because they have the same product. I just needed it fast. I'm trying to do this a little quieter because everybody else in the house is sleeping still. Alrighty, box is open, and it even has like on the inside of the box, I don't know if you can see that, but instructions on how to go about putting it together. Alright, so because I purchased it through Kingdom Designs, they did throw in a pack of paper. Look at God. Kingdom Designs right there. said they threw in a pack of sublimation paper. Oh man, okay. I didn't expect that. The ink is like in the styrofoam. I mean, it's in there. I mean, it's in there. I guess it's not going to get damaged in transit, right? Alrighty. Nothing in that styrofoam. I'm actually going to pick this up and put it on the floor beside me. Again, trying to be ninja-like and super quiet. Because people are sleeping. Alright, and that is everything that's in the box. Put the styrofoam back in there. Slide that out of the way. Excuse my hair, I don't know what's happening. I had a nerve block for my migraines put in on Friday, and it's just still really sensitive, so I don't want to wash it or anything. And it's kind of like doing its own crazy thing. Alright, open this bad boy up. The packaged it pretty good, which is nice. You know, sometimes you get printers and they're not like secured and all that good stuff, so they come pretty beat up in the packages. There we go. All right, so there's a safety information packet here. I'll read through that later. If we're being honest. And the power cord is in a bag to the side here. That's what it looks like. There's a power cord and a printer cable. That's pretty sweet and very helpful. I do wish that the Epson would have came with that because I did need it. My Wi-Fi didn't work very well for a bit. Alrighty, so we're gonna point you downwards just a wee bit here. So you can see what it looks like. That was not very ninja-like. Alright, so we have it. And now we just remove all these little blue things here. I remember when I first got the Epson, I thought I pulled all of them off, but I didn't. I missed a few. But they were the ones that are on the inside. Did the same thing with the Cricut. Okay, note, this one is not coming up, but there's a little, ow, thing right there. That's for the cords. Okay, lift that up. Peel that one off, and peel that one. So this one had a thing in there, so if you get one of these and this one doesn't come out with this, make sure you check for one of these. All right, no more in there. There's one back here. That's for the cord. All right, we are all unboxed, my friends, so set it up, you put the ink in there. That, like I said, it'll be a whole different video. But paper tray. You got where you put your paper in. I like that it has like this ventilation in here too. That's pretty sweet and going to be very helpful. Like I said, the power cord is going to go right here. And then in the back of it, if you want to see what the back looks like like this. There's an escape tray. That's what I call it, at least. It's just on the back end where if it gets jammed, you just pull it out. All right, and that's it, folks. That is the Sawgrass SG 500. Again, I did purchase it from Kingdom Designs, just a local shop here in Myrtle Beach. And they do have a website and a ton, and I do mean a ton of products, and a lot of their own products that they've come up and developed as well. So it's pretty sweet to see small businesses like Kingdom Designs and Heat Transfer Warehouse like branch out and like really explode. It's pretty cool. And then being able to support locally for me is even bigger because I am a small business. So if somebody's going to support me, then I'm more than happy to support them right back. So again, like I said, it's called Kingdom Designs. Their Instagram and Facebook is right there, and then their website is right there. I'll also drop all of those links in the description below as well. That's all I have for now. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. If you have a Sawgrass printer and have any tips or tricks or anything that you'd like to share with me, go ahead, drop a comment as well. Until next time, happy crafting.